What do surgeons want? They want things that are good for their patient, efficiency and reliability. And what does Magtrace give? It gives me a very reliable product.
We can really decouple the day of surgery with the procedures that are necessary for us to do what we need to do during surgery. Not having to wait on nuclear medicine for that process really makes our day much more efficient.
I can start my surgeries right away. Don't have to wait for the timing of when I'm going to do my nuclear medicine injection. So it's definitely a plus for the patients.
With Magtrace, we put knife to skin now at 8:30. It's been I think a great experience for us just from the point of view of logistics, from operational planning.
The main benefit for Magtrace for my patients are the ones that may not need a sentinel node at that time of surgery.
A patient who does not need their lymph nodes taken would be someone who does not have an invasive cancer but needs a mastectomy. When I'm able to use Magtrace during that surgery, that means I'm able to avoid taking lymph nodes, which is a game changer for a lot of our patients.
Patients in general are most concerned about lymphedema risk when you talk about any kind of sentinel node procedure.
It's very debilitating, affect quality of life. If you can avoid having to take out any lymph nodes, or at least very few, then certainly that's better for the patient. The nice thing about Magtrace is that you inject it and it hangs around for many months in the lymph node, so we can always take the patient back weeks or months later to retrieve the sentinel node that we initially thought maybe they would not need to do it.
And I've even had patients ask me about a delayed sentinel node, and the well-read patient has actually even heard of Magtrace and how you can accomplish that.
There has been really, very little movement in terms of the traditional tracers over the last 20 years. It was, crying out for something new to come in.
We move fluidly through the OR, and it's been amazing.
Using Magtrace is an absolute game changer for us in terms of efficiency.
You can do more surgery that day. It streamlines the care for these patients.
The efficiency that is afforded has honestly revolutionized my day.
You start to use this, and it's like a whole world opens up, and you start to see all these different ways that Magtrace is going to be better than how we've been currently doing it.